Hi guys, it's your girl Yammi, and today we are doing something a little bit different, a little bit special. We're going to Magic Kingdom. Now, yeah, we're just going to Magic Kingdom, no big deal. But what we're going to do at Magic Kingdom, we are going to start hunting for hidden Mickeys. And I've had this book for a long time, and I've never done a hidden Mickey, and I said, dang it, that's what I'm doing. So, hidden Mickey time. We are going to go into Adventureland and Frontierland. Uh-oh, where's it? And Frontierland. And we're going to look for the hidden Mickeys in both of these lands. So, I think this is going to be fun. You ready to go have some fun? I am. We so need some fun. Let's go. Let's go. Well, we just got here to Magic Kingdom, and even before I got off the boat, I found my very first hidden Mickey. Here it is. So that one was a cool one. I didn't even see that one in the book. So good job, Annie. Good job. But now we're going to go in here and we're going to find more hidden Mickeys in Adventureland and Frontierland. Those are the two lands we're going to go check out and find hidden Mickeys. So let's go.
Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on a straightaway. Our metropolis of mechanical marvels, Tomorrowland.
And I'll come to your hotel then.
Welcome aboard, folks. And you know...
Intervention not required.
Someone go in there.
Alright, that's all right. I'll talk to you guys later.
Yeah. A little bit. You can only see so much.
And that's the secret that makes intergalactic travel possible. So simple once you hear it, right?
Alright, now that we're in the park, we are going to head over to Adventureland and see what kind of hidden Mickeys we can find. I'm excited. Okay, here we are at Adventureland, and we're going to look for a hidden Mickey somewhere on here. I'm going to come to it, and I want you to see if you can see it. And comment down below whether or not you can see the hidden Mickey, and then I will let you know where the hidden Mickey is. Alright, here's Boo. What are you standing over here by this shield for, huh?
I need it for protection.
Okay, now somewhere in this frame are two hidden Mickeys.
Two of them?
There's two of them.
Okay.
So now we gotta look for two of them. They're somewhere on here.
I have to come by myself.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
I see it too. Can you? At home, can you see it? At home, can you see it? Let's see. It's not down here. It's up here. I'll zoom in. And there's two of them. One he's upside down. The other one he's not. Alright, that's enough time. Point it out, Boo. There's the Mickey head and there's the ears. And then he's upside down because those are ears down below. Do the bottom ones. Okay, yep, those are the ears there. So he's upside down, and then there's that one where he's right side up. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, we came in from that way. Here's the tree house, and then we want to go. Well, hi there, Boo. Oh, you getting down to the music? Okay. As you come up to the buildings up here, this is the bazaar up here. If you look down on the ground, you'll find jewels and that into the cement. There's a special jewel in there that has a hidden Mickey on it. So that's what we're on the hunt to find. So it's somewhere down here before we get to the dome or the camel ride on the ground. So we'll go start looking. So here we are in front of the magic carpets, and if you look on the ground, you'll see pieces of tile, and you'll start to find some jewels. Okay, let's see. We'll check this area here. See some jewels there, but that's not it. So we just got to keep looking on the ground all around here. Not yet. There's the meet and greet right there in front of the bazaar. That's the bazaar there. You got some jewels sitting here, but you just happen to look around and you tell me if you can see it.
NBA coaches are there to manage these.
There you go. Now you see it? So we just decided to take a break and come to the city room. We decided to turn there like two Mickeys that we know of. So we're going to find her over here.
Wowee! That's almost as much fun as New Year's Eve in the Orange Groves.
Hi, well, we did get the man carried away, right? Oh, say, look out there across the water. There's no bit of company.
Now, yes. Welcome, you all.
Permit us to introduce ourselves. My name is Claude, and my loquacious cousin over here is...
I'll introduce myself, if you don't mind. Hi there. I'm, well, you know, it's right on the tip of my beak.
Clyde Birdbrain.
Oh, yeah. I'm Clyde Birdbrain.
No, I say, perhaps you good people have never conversed with toucan birds before.
Well, neither did we, till one day we discovered this magic sunshine pavilion.
By Jove, yes, I remember just how it happened. Many bird baths ago. There we were in an explorer's launch on a mysterious river in deepest adventureland. Off in the distance comes the fierce roar of an African lion. Enough is enough.
That wasn't me. I never even opened my feet.
I'm sorry, boys. That was me. I hate from such an interesting story, but they're going for the show.
Sakes, it's already showtime?
Plan tickets, but of course it's already showtime. And come on, not the right time. It's your turn speaking up. So,
Righto. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather up all your cameras.
Alright, this bird right here, if you look to the right of the bird, you'll see a Mickey head.
Welcome to our tropical hideaway. You don't need to be for you. Keep we work in the show, starting right away. We think the up the end to all together in the tiki 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 tiki.
So this is one bird, and the other bird is on the other side, right straight across, which you can't see unless you come around here.
Okay. We're on the search. So what's that? We'll have to look for it later. Oh! That's going. There's that. Oh man, this in the belly, big time. This in the belly. Shaky. Oh, here you go. Oh man, I stood up on that one.
Alright, so I'm so bummed. I was just inside here at Frontierland Trading Post. There's supposed to be 2 hidden Mickeys in there. Neither one are there anymore. My book was written in 2016. So things have changed. Like in Frontierland, there's 5 or 6 hidden Mickeys in Splash Mountain. Now, we can't get into Splash Mountain now. So, what are they going to do? I wonder if those are going to be there after it becomes Tiana's. Will they still have these hidden Mickeys in there? Probably not. They probably have some new ones. So, my book's not going to have all of them. And the ones that the book has, they may not be there anymore. So, it's like a little fun treasure hunt that we're on, trying to see what we can find. Now, the shooting gallery, there's supposed to be one in there. I'm going to go check that one out. Alright, look at there's the first hidden Mickey right there on top of the cactus. Alright, so we found one of the hidden Mickeys in the shooting gallery. Because it's free play, it was crowded up there, so all I could find was the one. So we found more than I thought we were going to. Sorry. I know, I was messing with the necklace.
Yeah.
While I was filming in there. Get it turned around. There we go. So we found pretty much a lot of the hidden Mickeys I wanted to find today between Frontierland and Adventureland. So next time we'll do Tomorrowland and Fantasyland. And then another day I will do just Main Street. There's a bunch of them on Main Street. And then one day I plan to go into rides, like Pirates has a few of them. So different rides have hidden Mickeys in them. I plan to do those too. So we're just going to do a whole series of hidden Mickeys. I think that would be fun.
Yeah.
So, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share my videos. Let's get me out there. Let everybody know who Yammi is.
Who's Yammi?
That's right. Who's Yammi? I want people to say, I know Yammi. And I want to say hi to the very nice family that was behind us at the Tiki Bird. They're like, you're recording a YouTube video? They were excited. So they are subscribed. So thank you for hitting that subscribe button. And we hope you enjoyed this video. And as always, guys, thank you for being here. And I love you all.